If you want to know how I make this wash out instant air conditioner, keep watching. Let's get into the video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are my returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. How are you doing? If you are just seeing this video for the first time and you're just seeing my video for the first time, hi, this is Rosie Bella Natural. You are greatly welcome to our channel. Please go around and check all of our videos and fall in love with us. Please endeavor to subscribe, like our videos, share our videos to your family and friends, and drop that beautiful comment. In today's video, we'll be making our instant air conditioner or our wash out air conditioner. This air conditioner will soften your hair, it will smoothen your hair, it will detangle your hair, it will treat dandruff. Sanitizing our environment, making sure that all the equipment we are using is completely clean. Want to start off any production, please use your rubbing alcohol to sanitize all your gadgets. Make sure they are clean, and when you are done, clean them up and leave them very clean. Make sure you leave them very clean. Make sure you leave them very clean. The whole things equipment you are using must be left clean. So let's just jump into the video right away so that the video can be very short. So we'll start off our production by measuring out our oil phase. You can start off by measuring your water phase, but here I want to start off by measuring my oil phase. Here we have the EWAX. This is emulsifying wax that will help to bind the product, and I'm using 3% of my emulsifying wax, which is, my batch size is 1500, so which is 45 grams. This will help to combine the water and the oil together. And this is 45 grams of my emulsifying wax. Next will be my CETYL alcohol, which is a co-emulsifier. I'll be using 2%, which is 30 grams. And that is 30 grams. Next will be to add in 2% of my STEARIC acid. This is a co-emulsifier and it is used as a thickener, and it stabilizes the form and the formulations. It gives a smooth and silky feel to the hair. So we'll be adding 2%, which is 30 grams. That is it. So next will be to add in our paraffin oil. This oil will help to moisturize. It will help to nourish the skin, the hair, and it will go a long way to lock in moisture. And we are using 8% of our paraffin oil, which is 120 grams. That is 120 of our paraffin oil. And this is our oil phase. My water phase, my water is boiling on the fire, so I'll go get it and add in my other water phase ingredients. Why I'll take this to go double boiler it to melt it up. I'll be back shortly. So here is my water phase. I'll be taking 76.5% of my water phase, which is 1147.5. I'll reduce that. It's more. $1,147. Okay, that is my water phase ingredients. A little more out. 140. 48. So to it I'll be adding in my CETRIMONIUM chloride. I'm adding my CETRIMONIUM chloride. This will help to condition the hair. It will help to smoothen and soften the hair. You can use it on both wet and dried hair. And I'm using that at 3%, which is our 45 gram. I'll measure out 45 gram. That's 45 gram of our CETRIMONIUM chloride. I'll add this to the water phase. Going into the water phase is also my BORAX salt. This will help to thicken up the ingredients as well as it will form a thickener. So I'll add this to the water phase and stir it up. So here is the water phase. This is a clean jug I use for production only. So today I'll be mixing in my water into oil using just my whisk, so that those of you that don't have a hand blender will not be scared if they can make a lotion using a whisk. Yes, it is possible to make your lotion with only your hand whisk. The oil has been dissolved. My oil phase has been dissolved, and this is my water phase. I will combine phase B into phase A. Are you seeing the reaction that is taking place? Here is the combination of phase A and phase B ingredients. Let me move this aside so that I can show you properly. Let's position this at the center. So this is how you make your wrist off, wash off, instant hair conditioner. You make this and keep in your home. If you are going to the salon, you go with yours. You know what went into it. You can also produce this and sell. Produce this, bottle them up and sell to your customer. This will help to nourish their hair. It will help to soften their hair. Those natural hair that comb cannot get in and comb, this is what they need. After using the hair conditioner, it will soften up the hair and enable them to comb their hair easily. So is this watering because it's still very hot? So we'll leave it to cool down a little, then we'll come and stir it again. Leave it to cool down a little, then we'll return to stir from time to time until it is fully mixed together. So an emulsion has been created by the combination of oil and water. An emulsion has been created. So this is already emulsified, but we'll leave it to cool down and thicken up. So welcome back. Take a look at our lotion. It's already forming. When you take a look at it closely, let me bring down this. You see that it has formed a skin on it. There's this layer. But inside is still warm. So we stir together again. Keep stirring. Use your spatula to scrape the side. Remember, what we are making is our instant air conditioner. But I want to tell you that this is the same process you can make your lotions. But the only difference is that you use a different ingredients, not exactly the same. You cannot use paraffin oil for your leave-in air conditioner. You cannot use that for your lotions. People make use of it for their lotion, but it is the mineral oil and it darkens the skin. So stir. It's so white that I don't know. Hope you are seeing it. Like begin to thicken. That is how thick it is for now. So I'll quickly check the temperature, see if it is time for me to add in my cool down ingredients, the cool down phase. It's time to add the cool down phase. We'll then add it in. Let's check the temperature. If you don't have this thermometer, you can just check until it is completely cool before adding your cool down ingredients. Still a little hot. Leave it to get to 40 degrees centigrade before we can add in our cool down phase. Seeing how lovely it look. This is how lovely it will look on your hair when you use this to condition your hair. See how lovely. Wow, so nice. This is so beautiful. When you look at it, you see that it has thickened up the more. Thickened up the more. Let's check the temperature. 41. It's time for us to add in our cool down ingredients. And I will be adding in my propylene glycol as well as my glycerin. Just little of that. Remember, this is a wash, and just for it to moisturize your hair. You can increase yours if you want to. So you can always use your whisk, your hand whisk, to make your lotion. If you don't have your hand whisk, you can use your spoon. Just make sure your utensils are clean. You can use your spatula alone to make your lotion. It will only take you additional time, but you can use whatever you have at your disposal. This is a must make. Stop allowing those salon people to cheat you because they added conditioner to your hair. They will collect extra money. Go with your own to the salon and let them use it to wash your hair, to wash your wigs, and you'll be happy with it. Next will be to add in our preservative, and I'm using 2 preservatives here. I'll be using my methyl paraffin. I already measured this out. So my phone went off and I immediately switched on to another. So here is it, fully thickened up. I'll go ahead and add in my fragrance oil, already measured out. You can use any fragrance oil of choice. Let me quickly add in my essential oil so that as you wash your hair, it will help to treat whatever dandruff you have in there. That is tea tree, and here is my peppermint essential oil. Wow, this place smells like heaven. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you now. Don't just watch this video and pass. You are losing something though. Subscription is free. You don't pay any money for subscribing. Please just support me by subscribing. When you do subscribe, you are encouraging us to drop more videos for you. Okay, so please go ahead and subscribe. Don't just watch and pass by. Yes. Support us, please, with just clicking the subscription button. And when you do subscribe, please turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Share this to your family and friends. Tell them to come watch our instant conditioner with a recipe to follow. Easy to follow recipe. This is an easy to follow recipe. You can see how beautiful it is. So I'll go ahead and bottle it. Let me just stir it very well to combine. Which we are the scent coming out from this lotion. So we stir very well to combine the whole ingredients we've added so far. So if you have your whisk alone, you can make your lotion. If you have your spatula alone, you can still make your lotion. So this is our instant air conditioner, our wash off air conditioner, our wrist off air conditioner. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Let me now bottle this and show you. So thank you so much for watching our video. Do subscribe, turn on your notification bell when you subscribe. Invite your family and friends to come watch what is going on in Rosy Bella Naturals. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.